Hi guys, welcome to our Google Calendar Starter Guide. Whether you're looking to organize your work, plan your personal life, or coordinate events, Google Calendar is the perfect tool to keep everything in one place. In this video, we'll walk you through the basics, through each sections, and how to set up Google Calendar, create events, manage reminders and set up notifications, collaborate with others, integrate the apps, and also how you can access everywhere or anywhere Google Calendar. Now, let's dive in. To start, open Google Calendar by visiting calendar.google.com. Scroll down a little until you see the calendar.google.com. If you are already signed in into your Google account, your default calendar will be set up automatically. On the left panel, you'll see a list of My Calendars, where you can manage your personal calendar. Another calendar section to add shared or external calendars. You can also add public holidays and events by clicking on the Others Calendar section. Let's explore the main calendar view. You can choose to see your schedule by day, week, or month using the toggles in the top right corner. This is for day, for week, for months, and for year. This flexibility makes it easy to zoom in or out depending on how busy your schedule is. After setting up our Google Calendar, we can now start creating an event. Creating an event is simple. Just simply click the Create button here and select Event. You can now add a title for this event and modify the date and time for this event. You can also check the All Day button here if this event spans for a day. Google Calendar is an excellent choice for organizing group activities. In this section, I'm going to show you how to invite or add guests in an event and also set notification for your events. Select an event and then click the Added Info. After clicking this, you can see the Add Notification button and Add Guest input box. First, let's add a guest. You can type in or select a guest here. You can also add a permission for this guest. Now let's set a notification. Simply click the Add Notification and then select if you want this notification to be sent through email or just a notification in the phone. Click the Save button and click the Send. By default, Google Calendar reminds you 10 minutes before the event, but you can customize this to your liking. Now that you already know how to create an event, add guests to it, and even set notifications, we are now proceeding on how you can add location and description to your event. Select an event and click the Added Event. After clicking this, you can see the Add Location input box. Click this and then start typing any address or place of your choice, and Google will suggest options based on Google Maps data. This is especially useful for in-person meetings or events where everyone needs to know the location. For example, I want this event or meeting to happen in Metro Manila, Philippines. Now I have added a location. Below, you can add a description or note for the event. Useful for adding agendas or instructions or even links. You can even attach files like documents or presentation by clicking the paper clip icon, making everything accessible in one place. This is the paperclip icon, and you can also upload files using your Google Drive. Now let's set a description. Make sure the description that you are writing is related to the nature of the event. After adding your location and a description for your event, just simply click the Save button. Next is, we will be discussing recurring events. Recurring events are events that happen more than once on a repeating schedule. And in this section, I'm going to show you how to manage and create them. click the Create button, and then select Event. Let's name this event as Recurring. Now I want you to select a time and date for it. After modifying the date and time, click the Does Not Repeat drop-down. You can now choose from daily, weekly, or monthly, or even custom intervals. Let's select daily, and then click the Save button. And as you can see here, we have created a recurring event. Next is sharing your calendar. Sharing your calendar is another fantastic feature. To share, go to My Calendar section on the left panel of the Google Calendar and then select the calendar that you want to share by clicking the three dots icon here and select Settings and Sharing. You can see here the Share with Specific People or Groups tab. Click on this and click the Add People and Groups button. You can select or type in the email of the person or people that you want to invite in your Google Calendar or give an access to your Google Calendar. You can also control the level of access you give to them, whether people can just view the events or make changes. This is great for teams or families who want to collaborate on schedules. Lastly, you can make this calendar available for public access. Just simply check this icon here and click the OK button. You can also modify the permission that you give or access that you provide to these people. Google Calendar works seamlessly with other tools. For instance, if you receive an email about a meeting, Gmail will automatically suggest adding it to your calendar. You can also integrate video conferencing tools like Google Meet or Zoom directly into your events, making it super convenient to join virtual meetings. One of the best things about Google Calendar is that it seamlessly syncs across all your devices. Whether you're on your phone, tablet, or computer, your events are always up to date, and you'll never miss an appointment. This means that you can easily access your schedule from anywhere and make changes on the go. Plus, you can share your calendar with others, making it a great tool for coordinating events and projects with friends, family, or colleagues. And that's it. You're now ready to start using Google Calendar to organize your life efficiently. Don't forget to color code your events to keep things visually organized and explore more advanced features like reminders, notifications, and shared calendars as you get comfortable. Thanks for joining in and happy scheduling.